it's Amber here to talk about something fun. Making your own personal orders with Abby and Anna's boutique. So I know that's always one of our favorite things is buying things for ourselves using our 25% discount. And it's super easy in the back office. You're going to log in, which I explained how to do in my previous video. And once you're in here, you're going to go down to orders. So if you click anywhere on these tabs, it will expand the tab, and then you can go down to add new personal order. And then in there, you're going to see everything with the price calculated to be your advisor price. So you don't have to try to think what 25% off would be. You don't have to buy it full price and then get reimbursed. Like, it's just, you're going to buy it at your advisor cost. It's super simple. So here it is, and it's going to show everything here on these tabs. And if you click these arrows, it will expand the category. So all your categories are here. It looks just like it does on the website that the customers use, but obviously you're going to shop through this to get your discount. So let's see, everything's here, including clearance, including, if I open this up, the style advisors. If you want to buy in bulk, that option is here too. I'm going to, and actually the search bar is here too. So let's say I'm wanting to get our cardigan, and I can just type in one of the words, and it will pull up all of our options of cardigans. This is a fun one that just came out, the sleeveless cardigan, and shows our advisor price. And then I can click to see some more options, choose my sizing and all that. As always, just like on the customer site, you've got the size charts on each of the items to help you find your best fit, and the different thumbnails so you can view our items. So then you can come over, just the same as website, choose your size, all that. I'm going to say I'm going to get a small cardigan. I want one. Add to my cart. And guys, don't forget to read the descriptions. If your customers have any questions or you're having questions, it always says where it's made, what it's made of, as much detail as they can put in there. So then it's going to look like this. So it looks very much like the customer experience. And then you can go to check out. And of course, it will guide you through entering your info. And that's about it. So that's how we can get our items at our customer discount. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be back with some more tips later. Bye.